Dev them a real hate a long time. Dev them not like Jaden. But yeah, something I have to do, and something I have to say if you know your friend them. I'm telling these people. Me a Gemini. June 12. Me take friendship serious, you know? Friendship serious. Money serious. Me pity them serious. My life serious. I take things serious. When I come out to turn things, I run joke. Thank you, mama. Thank you, chat. I run joke, you know. So you see the prank story, I don't know what I talk about. I tell you no, I take things serious. I said, I say me a friend, me a friend. And if I say me ain't a friend, me ain't a blood clot friend. No caps. Me and a girl and a friend simple. Me not play no match with she. That's what I done. Me not going to why me not play it. Me not going to where me not play it. I me not wonder I don't know what. Me not going to where did it start from for us to not play anymore. But I say me not play none. Me not run joke. Yeah. So all I want to talk about prank and prank and prank and prank. I don't know what I talk about. What the fuck? And somehow know well. I never know that's a Rosealee stay. I have heart of a goal. But if you come pan here, come behave like you can't come text it, but me not go work. Don't call up my name. And so the nasty stinking brown man him. Rosealee forget a gold medal, but yet still want to send me Obi a Brit. Me not look pan you, you know. A dirty man there from Canada. He's a little girl. Me not go down a story because you want me to see you. I mean, know why you give me no praise. I know why you give me no gold medal. I am who I am. I am who I am, and I will always be who I always wanna be. Me real as fuck. Me not do the hypocrite. Me not play it. Me not play hypocrite, you know. He said me a chat to you, me a chat to you. I said me nah deal with you, me nah deal with you. And if you tell me mine, me I'll tell him mine. Yeah. Me not play hypocrite. I'm not two-faced. I will never be that. Me have two somebody in me. One yaso and one over yaso. And sometimes she say, Rosealee, we know this. And the next one come and say, but where the blood clot? You run the blood clot, girl. Now tell the girl how you feel. Tell the boy how you feel. Make that person, the next one come and say, you want to know something about the person, ask that person the question. Call that person. Call him. Alright, me say alright. Call her, okay. Confront that somebody there. Yeah. You want to know what is what? Confrontation right there and then. Oh, what? You not pay me. I not run no joke, you know, I'm serious. Me here say so and so. I never did say that. Don't mix me up. I saw me go about work. Me have people talk to me generally. Me can't take the fakeness, me not show two-face. If me have something say to you, me go say it right there and then. And if me not talk to you, my mouth go zip. Me not in the mood for talk, me show you. It's not I, it's just who I am. June what? Me gone. Rose I buy. Simple. It's not that me two-faced, I'm not hype. If me not in the mood for you, me not in the mood for you. When I say me stop, I will stop. When I can't, I just can't. Me not have you up. If me hate people, me not look upon them. Don't mix me up on no foolishness on TikTok. Me not do things for views. If me come here, me I beg. Me don't have time for that. You do all like for that the dirty one then now, car. We're gonna release the Vishashi. Cause if I'm my spirit not take them for man, you know, I'm not gonna dwell upon him, cause my spirit not take him. Now TikTok, my friend wanna see me with Candy. In that situation. Now the lady when them cash out where do the visit, where the sexy ray post up. Whether I do the visit. Can they have some stuff for him send for a yard? But before that, she do the visit. She get 30,000 for do the visit. When she get the 30,000, she buy the things him who has send her the money, him a complain to that person. I tell that person say the visit now go right. Cause I told them did it and the amount of things where she buy it now go right. This woman I go come on social media, no. I come and say, no, say, me, Rosealee, yes, so. No one she get a visit. Me want it because me want the money. Remember, I want to bring things for the media. So, we are going to reason, yes, so. Kasha, you phone me. I when you phone me, Kasha, you said to me that Rosealee, you know, say, can they send for the things them and re. I said to you, say, Kasha, the visiting something that go work out between you and Candy, you know. Cause start to explain, say, oh, Candy, ungrateful and grey and tear and blame. I say, Kasha, Candy doesn't want you to visit him anymore, you know, because the things that when you get the 30,000, the things that when you buy, you nah buy what the money worth. Remember, say, I'm a 20-year, him gone to prison, that's probably 2 weeks now. And if things are gonna raise in a 2 week, nothing much now go on panic more than $120, $150 or $100. You understand? So when you come with them, there's something that I say, things them there and re. He must say you not spend the money. Him tell us say him want Ian's Marina for wear, you buy a big brand. The local cheap marina them are down in a town. Them sell must say $1,000 at the wholesale for $6. You can buy a pack of Ian's Marina in the arcade for $2.50. It's 3 coming nights. Eh? No, she come here and she talk and she go on. Candy Kaya come here since April. I remember the day that he was on his live. He went into your box and feeding people them makeup and cash up you. Here, this live is not a cash up live. We ask for cash up yet, but this platform is not for cash up. This platform is for gift. And I don't know about no for uno. And every small sound, some of them like them. Some of them like them come by for scrape. No, plain matches. You have to do your hours. Your 1, your 2, your 3, your 4, your 5, your 6, your 7, your 8, your 9, your hours. Them want come here scrape 120 or 120 and cash up and gone. 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, you know, see them probably 1 week to the next day them come up with another dilemma, another story. You can't use no name with no dilemma about no story. You run up. I said to you that you say you're gonna keep official match, fine. You have never gifted the bad before. You don't have a platform to say, yeah. You have built a platform, you know a lot of people, you gift back so you can do those things. You just come here. You understand? First and foremost, you get the money for candy. You're in a candy gift that day, I beg money for fear. You get $30,000, you know, you still a beg bus fear. Nurse send a $20,000 and a one water you buy go get candy. All of them the story there. Him a tell about the people them and I show the people them say you hustle for him. You hustle in and middle around him, not me. And only so dunce to not realize that one of you keep on the mouth shut. When so done, craven and blinded. When you don't know when you keep on the mouth shut. Because certain things I would never come and say. Because that wouldn't bad attack. Because true people know say you I do the visit for Candy. Them same people that go over your life go gift you. He has people as well. He build his platform. True people know say yeah, help him out, them go over there go gift you. Yeah, you know that gift at DM. Cause there's certain things me never do yet, you know, me never it's when my life show you so a girl them do it, the people them. Just show your life, baby. We don't share life, mama. Nobody not owe me. Me not share life, nobody not owe me nothing. Me not share life. And you see my life show you some people share it. Me never come on and say, me say tap the screen and beg you. Me never say tap the screen and share life. Me no eat nothing. Me no want me life. Me no feel like when my life share most of the time. But when you not come here so, and I come talk about how me I try banter you out of what, $30,000? I 2,000 for your fear. From out of them and turn to Central, from Central to that 2,000 for your fear, about $6,000. Me could have asked him out of $200 US. Miss no come here, no come get right. At 2,000 for your fear. When you feel like say, "Chumu went with your Sunday," me not have nothing to do. Me not banter you out of nothing, miss. But when corresponding I go on, you don't get fuck. Because nurse send 20,000 of candy and you put it in your pocket. You come with the me, say, she, and the he, on the internet. You understand? You come with the me, say, she, on the internet. Me a big woman, I do careless things. Don't call up my name on the live, but me I try banter you. An official match and this, me not come about that. Me not careless. That's why I try to stay far from Uno. Literally, I don't give a fuck if you want to do Candy visit or not. Cause the people hungry than me don't make them no money transaction for me. Nobody hungry than me can do money transaction for me. Me don't know about them. If you're hungry than me, you can't do my money transaction. So when you make sure black eye from off my phone. Not too DB enough and lie. Too DB enough and lie. But all of your plan are gonna crash, cash out. Anytime Candy free up, nobody not go over your life. Gonna go like gonna come here with platform. But people. Gonna go like gonna come here with platform. I wanna they are long enough, but people. Don't know where most of the people over there give you because you say you do the visit for Candy. That's the only reason why some of them over there give you. And I gotta say, none of Candy moderator them not like me. Like if none of Candy moderator them not like me, I have no problem. Roger make you know about Roger not going to put fear burn pan feedback. Him come around with 1 and 2 times I eat that for Roger. She never did over here. Fat bigger something, fat rat. Fat rat bigger something. I see her shoot down ground in a big screen, I can't bigger something. Why when someone come? Yes, my baby. Yes, me see a good screen, I can't shoot down. I bigger something, yes. Thank you.